Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9. As you can see, this is a very basic box. There is some basic information that you will find on the box itself. The Redmi Note 9 logo is quite prominent on this side. At the back we get the info that this smartphone has 48 megapixel AI quad camera setup and that this device runs on the Helio G85 chipset by Mediatek. This phone is a good option for mobile gamers. Additionally, the Redmi Note 9 has 6.5-inch of Full HD Plus display and has 5020 mAh battery. Now it's time to open the box. Let's remove the cover gently. On the very top we have a smaller white box. Let's quickly open it up. There is a SIM ejector tool attached to the box. A very handy and important tool. Keep it safe. Inside we have a document which is the user guide for the Redmi Note 9. Read it at least once. And there is a cover case for the phone. Let's pull it out of the plastic wrap. Yes, this is a transparent cover to keep the Redmi Note 9 scratch free. Now let's take a look at the smartphone itself. It's neatly wrapped in a plastic wrapper. Let's gently pull it out. This is what the Redmi Note 9 looks like. You can see the quad camera setup at the back. This device is quite lightweight and has a very sleek finish to it. This model here is a green variant. There is one in scarlet red and pebble grey as well. Let's keep the phone to the side and go back to the box. There is another cardboard lid under which we have a power adapter and a USB charging cable. And that's all you will find inside this box. Thank you for watching.